Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of straining your neck while working on your computer? I just found an amazing solution, the Azar 515360 acrylic monitor stand riser, and it's been a game changer for me. This top-rated monitor stand is made in the USA and is a bestseller, and for good reason. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The first thing I noticed when I took it out of the box was how sturdy and solid it feels, with a smooth acrylic texture that looks great on my desk. When I placed my monitor on it, I was impressed by how easily it lifted my screen to the perfect viewing height, with a quiet and smooth motion that doesn't make a sound. I also love that it's ergonomic, reducing eye strain and discomfort after long hours of work, and the clear design doesn't block my view or take up too much space on my desk. I've used it to raise my laptop to the perfect height for video calls, and it's also great for multitasking, with enough space underneath to store my keyboard and papers. Compared to other monitor stands I've tried, this one is more durable and easier to assemble, with a simple and sleek design that fits perfectly with my home office decor. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Azar 515360 acrylic monitor stand riser, and I think it's a great investment for anyone looking to improve their workspace and reduce eye strain. If you're in the market for a high-quality monitor stand, I would definitely recommend giving this one a try. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.